This is the video presentation of Chen Yibo and Duan Junyu's homework 2 for ELEC 2302. Let's move on to the part 2. Let me first program this into the board. We can see the counter start to count at the 1 second. Obviously, it is a 4-bit counter, and it will return to 0 after it reaches 16. And when I press key 1, the display will reset to 0. Okay, let's move on to part 3. This is the A-bit counter. When the LSB turns 16, the second bit will add 1. Okay. And we can see the next cycle. Okay. When I press key 1 as before, this will set to 0. Okay, we'll move to part 4. And this is the part 4 3-bit decoder. And we have 3 switches: switch 0, switch 1, switch 2. And when the switch is 0, 0, 0, the LED 7 is on. And when I turn it to 0, 0, 1, the sixth one will be on and the others is off. And then I move to 1, 0, the 5th one, and 1, 1. This is the 4th one. And then 1, 0, 0 is the 3rd one. And 1, 0, 1, and 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1, 1. Yes, this is according to the truth table given by the homework. Okay, let's move on to part 5. This is the part 5 4-bit register. Those 4 switches are for the value D to be put to the LED, and key 1 is to push the data of switch to the LED, and key 0 is for clearing. Okay, we turn on switch 1, switch 0, and push key 1. Now we can see these 2 LEDs on. Okay, and I turn on all the switches and push key 1 again. Then the 4 LEDs are off, and then I push clear. All these lights are off, and push key 1 again. Okay, let's move on to part 6. This is the part 6 6-bit shift register, and when the program is on to the board, those 6 LEDs are shift to the next LEDs. Okay, when I push the key 0, which is the preset button, the LED 0 and LED 2 will be on. When I release the button, it starts shifting again. Okay, do that again. Press key 0, preset. Okay, let's move on to part 7. This is the part 7 4-bit recognizer state machine. There are 2 buttons, key 0 and key 1, or 3 buttons, and key 2. Key 2 is for clearing, and key 0 and key 1 is for push the state to next state. The right code are 1, 0, 1, 1, and this is at the state 4, which will show 1 at the LED display. At this state, when either I press 1 or 0, it will return to state 0. Yes. Okay, we'll go back to state 4. 1, 0, 1, 1. And this time press key 1 and it will return to state 0 as well. Okay, now I press a wrong number like 0, 0, 1, 1. It will return to state 0 or 1 1 1 0. Okay, let's try clear button. 1 0 1 1, and I press key 2, clear, and no matter what state am I press clear and then press 1 0 1 1. The state will be at state 4, which will display the 1. Okay, this is the end of our video presentation.